Hi friends, welcome back. It's AstroMommy here, and today is day 4 of the official launch of the AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal. And today we're going to actually take a look inside. So what I'm going to do is actually use my phone's camera to actually show you guys inside the pages. Hi everybody, here is the inside of the journal. So this is the cover. And it says, AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal. Teach yourself with a daily, monthly practice, undated, structured journal by me. Okay, so have our cover page, our acknowledgements, copyright. We have our table of contents. There's an introduction, how to use your journal, the QR code for the Tarot Card Interpretations PDF, card date tracker. Then the journal pages start in section 2, and then at the very end we have our bonus pages, extra notes, blank deck and book reference page, 3-card spread idea list, and the Celtic Cross spread detailed outline. Okay, so this shows you how to use your journal, what you need to get started, and gives you an overview of how to use the daily monthly, the daily, weekend, and monthly spread, and what the bonus pages are. This is the beginning of the card date tracker. So it has every single card, and then it gives you about 8 sections, I believe, to write the date. I actually did some math to figure out, on average, how many times in a year you would pull each card in the 78 card tarot deck. All right, here's the journal pages, place for you to write your name if you'd like to. So it starts with a monthly spread for a monthly overview, and this is where you can get an idea. This is the map for the Celtic Cross. This is the layout, not the map. This is the layout for the spread. And then each card gives you a place to write the card name, keywords, and then interpretation. And then does that for all 10 cards for the monthly reading. And then you have a nice big space, a 1.5 page space for a summary or any other notes that you wanted to put there. Then we have our 1-card daily spread, draw 1-card daily spread pool or whatnot. So you can write the date up here, or the day, or sorry, you can write the day and then write the date there, and the card, keywords for the card, and your interpretation. And if you want to, you can put a tarot sticker, or you could do a drawing, or you could just write the name of the card in here, whatever you like to do. I know that some people really love to draw the card. And then the way that this works is, this is, let's say this is Monday. Then over here on this side, this is where you can write what's going on and any sort of notes that you have that go along with the interpretation, like, you know, what you feel like your reflections are and whatever. So this is a 2-page type of spread. So the day is on this side, and then the reflections go on this side. So it's a horizontal spread. All right, and so you get 6 days for the week. So you can do Monday through Friday, and then there's a 6th day that's optional. And then this is the weekend spread. So the 3-card weekend spread, you can do it on Saturday or Sunday. That's why you get the 6th day optional for the week spread. And again, this is a 2-page layout. So on this side, you're going to put the positions of the 3 cards, position 1, position 2, position 3, the name of the card, keywords, and the interpretation. And then on this side, you're going to write what's going on, summary of the reading, and any additional notes that go along with your weekend spread. Okay, and then we start over for the next week. And it goes that way all the way until you get to the next month, which will go here. And like I said, if you just want, you know, the 3-card spread layout, then you can download that PDF on my Etsy shop. If you just want the Celtic Cross, you can download that as well. And you can custom make your own tarot journal and just put it in a binder. So then you would just start over the next month, and you can write the month and the date. You know, you can do this monthly reading in the beginning or at the end or anytime during the month that you want. It's undated so that you can choose when you do things. Okay, so that, it goes for the whole year. So you have 12 months, 12 months of journaling pages. Back here we have our bonus pages. Okay, so in the bonus pages, there's a place for notes. We have 5 pages of notes. And then we have our decks, books, and resource list. You can write down the decks, books, and other resources that you have, or maybe you want to put this as your wish list. Then we have our 3-card spread idea list and the Celtic Cross, how to do a Celtic Cross. So this is a basic detailed outline for how to do that spread. And it gives you what each position of each card means, and then some special considerations for using the Celtic Cross. And that is the end. And that is the inside of AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal. I hope you enjoyed that little sneak peek into the 1-year tarot journal and you got an idea of how you could use it in your own tarot practice. Tomorrow for day 5, we will be wrapping up the launch week. And I want to finish the week with just a heartfelt thank you. So I'm going to be reading you the acknowledgments that are in the front of this tarot journal. And I'm also going to be sharing you something really special that's really close to my heart about the creation of this journal and somebody who really helped me put it all together and make it what it is. So if you haven't picked up your copy yet, there's still time to do so. What you're going to do if you want to partake in the 30% off sale is you need to go over to my Substack, follow the link in the description box below, and go to the Substack post that is titled AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal official launch day 1. In that post will be the link where you can purchase the journal for 30% off. I'm also going to include in the description box below the Amazon link, which you can get it there at any time. If it's after the launch that we're doing here with the special 30% off, then you can just get it there on Amazon. I'm also going to include the link to my Etsy shop, to the digital downloads page, where you can purchase the different PDFs of the 1 card, the 3 card, and the 10 card spread on my Etsy shop, as well as the complimentary card interpretations PDF desk reference if you just want to print that out and have that and not have the whole journal. All right, so great. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this launch week, and I can't wait to be back tomorrow with our official last day. Bye.